What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel and another installment of the lunchtime review. I have been extremely busy from day. Miss Jackie, I shut them off for me. Just come down here for come lock off the light. Yes, people. So we jump right into the video, right?
Listen. Oh, you want
Yo, bro. Hi guys, and I sincerely apologize for me removing the audio, but right now we are walking on a section of William Street that is jam-packed with people playing music, and we recorded all of it, so I have to cut out all of it in order to get this video to be uploaded to YouTube and not get any kind of copyright strikes, because YouTube algorithm don't care if the music is playing in the background and there's a lot of noise there as well. They just, recognizes that music. Fuck you, copyright. But yeah, it is what it is, people. We just have to work with this kind of situation. Again, I apologize. I will not be talking for the entire duration of this video, just, the walkthrough of me on the street going into the business place and then me taking a tour within the business place. That's the only sections that I'm going to be talking, because, well, this is Jamaica or Portland. Everybody just plays those fucking loud music, bro. I mean, like, I'm being a bit nitpicky here, but if it was me normally, like, wouldn't be making a video, I'll be completely fine with it. But I'm trying to make videos. So here we have the place. This is like the side of the building. This is, well, they would call it the main entrance, but I call it the side of the building because it's literally down an alley, I should say, or a corner street. Anyways, making our way up into the building. As you can see, there's not a lot of stairs. It's just one flight of stairs to reach Rodanah's upper deck, and believe you me, like, the place looks a whole lot more incredible than what you're seeing right now. It's a very more brighter and more vivid. Like, the camera isn't doing this place justice, man. But yeah, like, it's very spacious, very open. Well, not very spacious, but it's spacious enough, to allow customers to order and enjoy their food quite comfortably. And as you can see, we have an open kitchen right here, so if you want to sit and watch the chefs do their thing and maybe learn a few things too, if you don't know how to prepare burgers and fries and such, you can always stick around and watch them do their thing. Here we have the menu. It is very should I say, filled, jam-packed with menu stuff. I like the menu. Everything here is done to order, so keep in mind that if you're coming here to order, make sure that you have a couple spare minutes to wait for the food to be prepared. So that is a caveat that you have to look into. They also sell cakes, smoothies. There's also a bar, as you will see right now. Wow, I'm good. But yeah, there's a bar. There's a backdrop. I like the bright aesthetics of the place, you know, and it being on the second floor, it's very much light. Light's always coming in there.
Just don't make the order. Come out the door, you know. Now 19 minutes after 2. So after 12, I'm sorry. So we'll see how long that I will take to come out of the kitchen. Just there away right now. So get the food at the park. Could not stay at the restaurant because they were playing loud music, you know, and I did not want to be rude and ask them to be turning it down just for the sake of me making a video. So here we are again in the park. You might hear a whole lot of talking around me. Can you hear that? Okay. But yeah, got our paper bag right here. Well, we just put this look in first before me bring the camera over so I can see what going on in there, you know. Yes, sir. First impressions, I am impressed, you know. Just how they plate it, you know, how they give you the burger and fries in this like tin kind of thing. I like that, you know. Show you where we're going. Get closer so you can see it better, you know. Fries with ketchup, mayo, burger, nice big bun, looks well put together. Wow. And the burger meat, man, that looks well done, bro. Mustard, cheese, that's what I'm seeing, mayo. I like this. Sesame seeds on the bun. I'm sure that you guys hear that. But yeah, the fries look fried, you know, not soggy, not crispy, burnt, or even oily looking. I like that. Yes, man, this food look nice, brother. Look like we have a little bit of pickle in there too. Tomato, the cheese, the patty. I'm not sure if a mustard or the ketchup and the mayonnaise. Sorry, ketchup and the mayonnaise mix. But I have a good feeling that is mustard I'm looking at right there. This brother presentation up, man. I like how it look. I give the presentation a solid 8.5. John Star, I love this. I love how this look. Chef them plate it proper. Alright, so I'm hungry, so without further ado, we could just jump right in and food, you know. Yes, people. Alright, bun warm, you know. First bite, very excited if you couldn't tell, you know. Yes, brother. My word. Buckle up, I eat these people. Look at it. Wow. Wow. My God, man. Like, look at it. Fucking burger. The burger tastes amazing, bro. Like, bun soft. Bun is soft. As let say it warm. The meal with them use pan it now overwhelming or watered down, you know. Cheese, me taste the cheese, you know. The beef patty, it not taste like reggae jamming's cardboard beef patty, you know. What else? Like, me I taste the lettuce, me I taste the tomato. I'm not reach to the pickle yet, but I don't know about that. Look at piece of pickle right so. Pickle just Burger King style, bro. Aye. You're the people, I'm not about drunk people. So what me have to deal with over in my park. John must start. Wow. Like the way how the mayonnaise sweet, brother. Me have to lick it off my finger. Like it, man. Bun sesame seed. It's soft and it warm. You can tell say this is probably not homemade. You know, this is probably like some store bought thing, supermarket bought thing, but I mean it tastes damn good. You taste the onion, you literally taste everything in this, brother. And like everything just tied together in a overlay. Just you know. Not no overpowered, nothing, you know. Everything just depends on a balance. Which is how a burger should be. General star. And the pickle just had that extra little zest that it. Until say this is a whole pickle. Fresh pickle them people I use there. Right, that. Right now more have to stop, you know. But John won't start, I can't stop. Burger, you're good, brother. I mean the meat, and I see no burn pan there, as you can see. There's no burn pan it. Look like it well done. Let me say to me, I taste the cheese. Cheese day night, the bun soft. The mayonnaise and water down. It is very tasty, so more than likely some mustard probably there in the too. The pickle just had a little bit of zest in it to it too, I like. These guys say tie the whole thing together. The tomato them slice thin, them no slice fat, you know, where it will kill the flavor of the burger. And a little bit of ketchup in there also. Can taste that too. You know, it give that when you take that first bite there and crunch and start chew, brother, like it just give that authentic burger taste there, you know. Wow, like from my time I live in Portland and I try Portland people burger, this would be the closest thing would I can say to Burger King, you know. I like it. To make the onion them, brother, a little piece right, so you never can see it, but in a thick, you know. But when you bite in a thick onion, you burn you, see me? It's thin, brother. The beef patty, I would say it's 100% juicy, you know, because Jamaican people now really cook a thing half raw or medium or whatever. Unless you ask them to eat them, they normally cook it well done. And the burger meat no dry out and it well done, you know. You know, ooze no whole heap of juice or anything like that, and it's still soft, still savory. You taste the beef and it tastes like cardboard. I mean, I don't know if they make them own beef patties or a store bought or something, you know. But it tastes really nice. Oh God, man. I don't know what else I can say more about this, bro. Cheese. Cheese good too. This cheese not just some I like it, bro. Piece of onion, yeah. You think that is? Mm-hmm. That's better. Fucking burger is a A1 burger, brother. Like fuck. Remember the last time I got Burger King at Kingston, brother? Burger King burger never tastes so good. And the Burger King burger did bad. I promised myself I wouldn't buy a back of Burger King. If I ever got a town and want burger food. Now I got Burger King again, brother. Burger was greasy. Down to the pickle in there, it tastes greasy, you know. I like the freshness of this. Good. The cheese, cheese just melted and just a slide. You can see brother cook and have some juice in there, you know. Yeah. You see that? Yes, man. And I say brother, it tastes like beef, you know. It tastes like a cardboard shit there. So maybe reggae jammings change them recipe or something, or maybe them just a cook for them thing different. But I like how this tastes better. Alright, people. You have to finish it that better before we move on for anything else. Burger. Buckler. Give me the raw onion I eat. The burger good. Let's say give the burger 8.5 out of 10. You know? The burger should have more cheese in it still, but that was my personal preference, and that's the only fault me can find with it. Like, bun the pan pint, patty the pan pint, cheese there in there, tomato there in there, lettuce there in there, pickle there in there, mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, the bun soft, the bun warm. Yeah, I have no complaints and everything, just depend on a balance kind of level. Like, none of the mentioned ingredients no seem like it overpower any of them. You see me, everything just depend on a level, you know? Like when you take a bite of the burger, you taste every individual thing where you chew upon, you know? And then you combine together and get that extremely savory burger taste there. Yeah man, but I must say people, I like it. Fries them I get kind of cool now still, but they are talking a chew upon a couple fries, you know? Fries them do good. Them not crispy, you know? Fries are definitely not crispy. I have a problem with that. You're the mad people and people. And people in my cuss. You hear them? That's so about.
But you're not easy.
You're blood clot mad people, brother.
But see ya.
You hear them? You hear them? Right now, people, I'm full. I am full. Let's say the fries them taste like fries, you know. Fry up well nice and thin. I give the fries a rating. The fries are rating about a 6, you know. I don't know how you can do fries like well done fries, you know. But the fries them on point, and you know, I'm gonna give them a high rating, a 6, you know. Although I'm not see nothing at all on the fries them to complain about, you know, but like the burger, brother, perfect. Like no faults, no nothing. The burger solid 8.5. Like the overall meal, like the presentation of that too. You know them package up in a this, them never they have to do that, them could just wrap it up in a piece of paper and give you. But you know them share it out. Little baggy thing at the bottom to make it look nice. And presentation would I get a solid 8, brother. I like how it look, you know. Could have done more, you know, maybe get one little box, but for what it is, it's done correctly. What more can I say? When you buy the burger, come buy a fries, burger, and a free bottle of grape water. Free bottle of grape water, you know, for $1,000. That is what you get. And unfortunately, you never get a napkin with that. Oh, shit. Did actually get a napkin, people. So, my bad on that part. Customer service, they alright though. Could have said the people them just open and just, you know, the kind of rush still, but to them they deal with me, it was acceptable. Nothing to complain about there. And as I say, for $1,000, nice big full belly burger. Tastes alright, the fries them done good, them not raw, them not burnt. Free bottle of water for wash all that down, $1,000. Yeah, would I recommend a meal like this, to be honest. If you dip on the budget and have it to spare, you know. Or want to splurge a little bit when you get paid. Yeah, brother. So that would conclude our lunchtime review for today, people. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe if you get notified about the next one. And please subscribe. Although I'm asking for subscribe already, but you know I think a subscription is the way to go to get everything you want. So, big up on yourself. Until next time.